How to sign up on Western Alliance Bank online banking. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and search for Western Alliance Bank. Then click on this very first website. From here, you want to click on the online banking option and select your account type. I'm going to select personal and then click on the go option. Then from here, click on Western Alliance Bank. From this page, you can sign into your personal online banking by entering your user ID and then click in the continue option. Since we're going to create a new account, click on the sign up link which is given down below. Once you click on this link, it's going to redirect you to this page. Now here you can choose if you want to select ATM or debit card or checking, savings or money market account. Select the second option, then check the box where it says I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of personal online banking agreement and disclosure. Then click on the continue button. Then the next step is to read and accept online disclosures and agreements. Now the third step is to enter your account information for verification purposes. After your details have been verified, your new account will be created. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.